done drawing. I think it turned out pretty well, to be honest, and I was debating whether I wanted to put warm wishes and actually wanting to write on it, but I decided I did. So yeah, this is it, and I finished, and I think it looks pretty cool. And if you're wondering what I used for the white, I used this, it's like a gel pen, it's from Jelly Roll, and I used number 10 for most of it. Sometimes I use number 8. Mostly I use number 10. It is super awesome. That is all for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below if, like, what's your favorite, like, winter accessory, like hats, scarves, gloves, all of that stuff. And yeah, happy holidays and have a fabulous day. Bye!